Hey guys, just a quick thing on the $25 Deso. I'm going to do that now for you. So I'm just going to put the link up. I can't set up another account because I've already got one. But just bear with me a couple of seconds. I'll just get the link. So I'll copy that across there. So that's the link. Just connect that up. Alright. So this is Deso, which actually I've got some already had some free from the learnings we got from Coinbase. It's still pretty old, so it's actually not too bad. So we've got a choice here. You can sign up today and get $25 free. So just click on that. Sign up free, $25 a day. You choose to log in with Google or sign up with the seed phrase if you've got Google. Now if I sign up with Google, I'd have to use a different Google account, which I don't have at the moment. So from here you just sign up with Google. So it's actually signed me up with my Google account already. So, but what it actually comes through there, it asks you two choices here at this stage. Is one, do you want to have do you want a $25 and you need to have photo ID. The other one is you can authorise by mobile phone, which you only get $1 for. I know some of you don't have photo ID, so also I think some of you are having a problem with where you can actually get it. I'm not sure why it doesn't actually say it on here that I could see, but obviously when you guys are using that, if you do want to get the $1, what I suggest is you get a VPN. I'd download a program called Proton VPN. That's what I use. It means you can select your IP address anywhere. It's available on mobile as well. The basic one for one VPN is free, and it means a virtual protocol network which hides your IP address. It can make you look like you're in any country in the world. So you'll be able to select Australia if you want, but obviously if you're going to go with photo ID, they've got to match that to where you live as well. I will do a video on that another day, so hope it helped this up a little bit. For those you looking at, once it came up here, I had $25 with the Deso. I then went to sell the Deso, and I actually sent it to my Coinbase account, which has just got it's got nothing in it at all, so I don't use Coinbase. But you can have a look. I'll bring it across. So I've got $60 odd. Sitting in that one at the moment. So it actually did go through. So you can see this stuff I've earned from learnings, and then I usually transfer it into my main account, which is my FTX account. But you can see I already had this from learning from the Learn and Earn that Coinbase does here. If you go back to the asset, and I think you should see if I click onto Deso here, you should see where the money's come in. I would think. I did show you a breakdown of it, so you can see where the asset itself rose, where I actually put in the money here, and you can see it's slightly going up since we've done it. So it's actually been a growth for us so far. Down 8.63 since I earned it. This Deso here hasn't cost me anything at all, and you can see from the if you go to Earn and Learn. Hopefully one day they'll bring all the countries of the world on, because it'll be really good. There's about $47 worth of USD, so all up, with those two things, it'd be around about 90 USD. So it is a shame that these other countries can't get involved at the moment, but time will tell. I will do another one on coinmarket.com. I just received some in my Binance, so that's something to look forward to. All you need is your Binance ID. So they just came through. It took about a week for them to come through. But I will show you some of the Learn and Earns from that. I don't think there's any country code problems there and all that, but we will see. So anyway, have a good day, guys. So I'll keep searching as best I can to find you guys something that's going to give you a few extra dollars into your accounts. So take care. Chat soon.